I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi NCR. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company known for its exceptional engineering solutions, and their reverse engineering services are no exception. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leader in the field of reverse engineering. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their commitment to delivering top-notch services that meet and exceed their clients' expectations. They have a deep understanding of the complex process involved in reverse engineering and have mastered the art of extracting vital information from existing products or components. Whether it is recreating a product that is no longer in production or improving the design of an existing component, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to deliver outstanding results. The location of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi NCR is an added advantage for clients in the region. This strategic location allows for easy accessibility and ensures quick turnaround times for projects. Clients can expect efficient and reliable services, thanks to Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's proximity to major transportation hubs and their commitment to meeting deadlines. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's reverse engineering services encompass a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, and more. They have successfully completed numerous projects, earning a reputation for their attention to detail and precision. Their team of experts utilizes advanced software and equipment to capture accurate measurements, analyze data, and develop comprehensive reports. They leave no stone unturned in ensuring that every aspect of the product or component is thoroughly examined and reconstructed to perfection. Absolutely thrilled to share with you the exciting news about the reverse engineering services provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi NCR. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a highly reputable company known for its exceptional engineering solutions, and their reverse engineering services are no exception. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they are revolutionizing the way products are developed and manufactured. The reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd are truly remarkable. They have a team of skilled engineers who specialize in reverse engineering techniques, allowing them to recreate any product or component with precision and accuracy. Their attention to detail is unmatched, ensuring that every aspect of the original design is captured flawlessly. What makes Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stand out from their competitors is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique, and they strive to tailor their services to meet the specific